So between Robinhood and Coinbase, which one is best? For starters, if you live outside of the United States, Coinbase may be your only option based on regional availability. And if you're looking to trade assets like stocks, ETFs, and options, you won't find any of those on Coinbase, as it's strictly a crypto exchange. However, do keep in mind that Coinbase offers a selection of roughly 10 times more cryptocurrencies versus Robinhood at this point in time. So if you're looking to invest in less common tokens outside of the majors, you might have to look on Coinbase or possibly a separate exchange entirely outside of Robinhood. When it comes to the fees, Robinhood takes the lead here with the caveat that they offer a very limited selection. But if you're just looking to own Bitcoin and the other majors, then Robinhood is probably the most cost-effective option without paying a subscription cost. With that said, for those who transact a high volume of crypto monthly, Coinbase One might become worth it. In terms of the research tools and user interface, both Coinbase and Robinhood offer beginner platforms and advanced platforms. However, Coinbase Advanced is specific to cryptocurrencies, while Robinhood Legend is mostly designed for financial assets like stocks, with limited support for cryptos. So if you're looking for the best advanced crypto trading platform, it's probably going to be Coinbase Advanced, but don't sleep on Robinhood Legend either, as they are going to be rolling out wider crypto availability.